I'm Brenda from the Avant-Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. We're hearing a lot more about buying Canadian and buying local, and we've been doing that for 19 years almost. We've been in business for almost 19 years, and over the years it has grown quite a bit, and we're just loving that people are more interested in buying Canadian. This last year has shown us how important it is, and into the future we're going to see it's even more of an issue in the next year or so because shipping from overseas is getting really expensive. So I wanted to just give you a quick tour of some of the new things that we have in the shop and some that you've seen before. But we have these great puppets. They're made by a woman from Toronto. These crazy rustic sculpture pieces from BC. Lots of wall art, beautiful wall art. We have, I think, 5 different artists on the wall, all Canadian made. The little glass hanging pieces that we have are made by a woman from Niagara-on-the-Lake. We have the beer glasses from Tory Hill, from a couple in Tory Hill. Those are awesome. We have wine cups that are from Burlington. We have these beautiful fiber bags as well. They're a fair trade item, so they're not actually made in Canada, but it's a fair trade item and the owner is Canadian. The wall art, like I say, is all Canadian made. We have some beautiful necklaces from a woman up in Matachewan, and her father has helped her create these beautiful necklaces. We have coasters that are also Canadian made. Normally we have a line of chimes that are also from Canada, but we're having a little trouble getting that supply. Come on in and we can show you all of the things from our beautiful artists in Canada and tell you a little bit more about them. Thanks for joining me on The Garden Gate. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant-Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.